I handle both family and divorce cases and criminal matters here at Colorado Legal Group. My experience in the criminal field gives me an advantage over many divorce and family law attorneys because, one, I have a lot of courtroom experience. My prior experience at the public defender gave me a lot of courtroom and trial time that many attorneys in the family field just don't have. Two, the domestic realm and criminal realm often overlap. So I am able to maneuver folks through filing a protection order, defending a protection order, if they are charged with an act of domestic violence or if they are a victim of an act of domestic violence. I can help maneuver them through the system by just hiring one attorney rather than needing multiple attorneys to get them through this process. What I enjoy most about my family and divorce practice is the ins and outs and really diving into this family dynamic. So when children are involved, it's really important to try and help my client remove themselves from the emotion, the anger, the sadness from the divorce itself so that we can really parse through what we're gonna do for their kids, for their family unit that is now going to look very different down the road. I really enjoy helping my clients parse through what the household is going to look like moving from a two-parent household, oftentimes to a single-parent household, and how we can not only look at the present and look at what is going on right now, but how we can set them all up for success down the road. What I would tell someone going through a divorce and family law case is to make it very clear what their end goal, what their end result is that they want to see. By really clearly explaining not only to themselves, but to their attorney or legal team what that outcome is that they want to see, they're going to make sure that the path and the steps that they need to take to get there are very clear. That makes sure that no distractors come into play, that they are able to focus on that end goal, such as communicating with their former partner for the best interests of their child, making sure that they are financially stable and situated in a way that they feel appropriate as they're going from a two-parent household to a one-parent household. So making it very clear from the get-go, what outcome do you want to see? That way you know exactly what path you're going to take to get there. At the end of the day, I want to make sure that my client feels like they have been guided from start to finish in their case, that I have helped lead them to that outcome that they clearly defined to me at the beginning of my representation. Oftentimes, that is going to be settling their case. Settlement usually and oftentimes will result in an outcome that is best for my client and frankly is best for the family unit as a whole. If we can't reach a settlement agreement, then as you've heard, my client is going to be in great hands with my courtroom experience, and we will make sure that they are heard and that they have a strong advocate telling their story. If you are facing a family and divorce case here in Denver, give us a call and we're happy to walk you through it.